Hey guys, you're probably now wondering why there is a blue button under this video. Well, I got some really good news. We got approved for the YouTube membership program. So what does this mean? Well, essentially, if you want to pay a little bit to support the channel every month, I'm going to give you some nice perks. So I've added 3 levels, but I think the 2 first ones are the ones that are most relevant. So on the first level, you get access to videos a little early, as well as priority replies. I'm also going to add the cheat sheet for my how to fold close to save space course on this level, as well as I think the calculator on how many close you actually need as well. But the second level is really the big one. I've decided to upload the entire block rolling course to YouTube. So if you want to learn how to fold close to save space in a very organized step-by-step way, you can now do it. We go from messy drawers to completely organized and very spacious drawers. If any of you need any extra support, I added a level where you can have email contact with me, but I had to make this one a little bit expensive because it takes away from my time. But I think the 2 first ones are the ones that are most relevant for most people, right? And I just wanted to thank you a lot for those of you who decided to sign up, and for the rest of you, this isn't going to change anything. It's just that the ones that sign up will see the videos a little bit earlier than you. But I still really appreciate you, and yeah, I'll see you very soon.